Hello students, welcome to new video lecture. Today we are going to discuss about potential difference of the cell, and in previous video lecture we have seen what is meant by potential and potential difference. In this video module we are going to discuss about the potential difference of the cell. Okay, cell means what? The thing which used to create the flow of electricity in the path. Okay, so right now potential difference, what is meant by potential difference? We have earlier seen the difference between positive and negative terminal of a battery or cell is known as potential difference. We know very well there is a potential difference, which means there is a flow of electron. If there is a no potential difference, which means there is a no flow of electron. We can clearly concluded that if there is a potential difference, which means there is a flow of electrons. There is a no flow of electrons, which means there is a no potential difference. For that you have to see my first video lecture, what is meant by potential and potential difference. You have to see that video, and afterwards you have to check this video lecture too. You can get my whole videos in the playlist also. So right now the difference between positive and negative terminal of the battery or a cell is known as potential difference of a cell. Okay students, so right now what is exactly mean by potential difference? We have earlier seen that potential difference is indicated by V. V means what? Volt. I wanted to tell you the name of the scientist. He is an Italian scientist. The name of the scientist is Alessandro Volta. Alessandro Volta. I have previous lecture I have tell you Sir Simon George Volta. That is also the same name, but in the sum of book it is given as Alessandro Volta, and sum of book it will be given as Sir Simon George Volta. Okay, voltage cell, photovoltaic cell, voltage cell. In 8th standard you have seen about this thing. So right now we have seen what is meant by potential difference. So right now potential difference between 2 points is nothing but the flow of charge from positive terminal of a battery to the negative terminal of a battery. Negative, positive. We know very well electron flows from A side to B side and current flows from B side to A side. Means here electron, here is current. In previous video I have tell you the units also and the symbol which is we have used for this, and in next also we are going to discuss about it. Don't worry about it, we are going to discuss it in detail. For that you have to subscribe my channel. Whenever I upload the video you will get the notification. If I was forgotten to tell you, so in that also notification you have to press that bell icon too. Because of that whenever I will upload the video you will get the notification. Right now we have seen the very well over here, that is potential difference. Potential difference is nothing but the difference between positive terminal to the negative terminal of a battery, in which, see, now here from positive to negative charge flows, negative to positive electron flows, which means there is a flow of force as well as displacement, which means here is nothing but the work. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? वर्क हो रहा है. इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो हो रहा है, मतलब क्या है? वर्क डन हो रहा है. बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या है? वन टाइप ऑफ फोर्स है, एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या है? तो इलेक्ट्रॉन का डिस्प्लेसमेंट है. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव टेकन हियर, वर्क. सो टू कैलकुलेट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, V इज इक्वल टू वर्क डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल चार्ज ट्रांसफर. Total charge transferred. So work done divided by total charge, which means volt. So indicating this, W divided by charge के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं हम लोग? Q. So volt is equal to work divided by charge. इसका यूनिट अगर देखते हैं हम लोग तो वोल्ट के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं V. W होता है 1 जूल, SI यूनिट ऑफ वर्क डन इज जूल, एंड SI यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज इज कूलम. सो दैट्स व्हाट C. सो वोल्ट का यूनिट क्या आ रहा है? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस का PD का यूनिट क्या निकल रहा है? जूल पर कूलम. बट जैसे मैंने कहा, it is indicated by Alessandro Volta. That's what, to give his honor to his name, we have given the SI unit of potential difference is volt, which is indicated by capital letter V. In that also there is a various, means from huge scale to micro scale potential difference varies. In our regular home, हमारे regular home supply में 220 वोल्ट का आता है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. अगर आपके पास कोई इक्विपमेंट्स है, स्टार्टर वगैरह है, या फिर आपके पास बोवेल या फिर सबमर्सिबल पाइप्स के स्टार्टर्स अगर है, तो उसमें 2 वॉचेस लगे वाली होती है, 2 घड़ियाँ लगे वाली होती है, एक में वी लिखा होता है, एक में ए लिखा होता है। अगर आप उस वी वाले को प्रेस करते हो तो इट शोज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस। सो इन इंडिया पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज 220 वोल्ट। इन अमेरिका, अब मैं अमेरिका के साथ कंपैरिजन में आपको एक बात बताता हूँ, हमारे इंडिया में 220 वोल्ट पे हम लोग जो है 50 हर्ट्ज साइकिल जनरेट करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के कितने हर्ट्ज जनरेट करते हैं हम लोग? 50 हर्ट्ज जनरेट करते हैं। एंड इन अमेरिका में 110 वोल्ट पे ही कितनी हर्ट्ज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होती है वो आपको बताना है। एक्चुअल मुझे अमेरिका का बताना था एंड देन इंडिया का पूछना था, लेकिन मैंने इंडिया का बता दिया, अमेरिका का मैं पूछता हूँ। सो इफ यू नो द आंसर, सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स विच इज गिवन बिलो। इन इंडिया on 220 volt it create near about 50 hertz, okay, cycle, alternating cycle. In US it use 110 volt and create how many cycles for frequency, okay. Next, अब ये होता है ह्यूज से होता है, ये स्टार्ट होता है ह्यूज से लेके आपके माइक्रो मिलियंस तक ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होती है, क्योंकि हमारे घरों में हम लोग खुद ही देख सकते हैं। रेलवेज अगर देखते तो रेलवेज के जो पेंटाग्राफ होते हैं, वो पेंटाग्राफ में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होती है 2200 वोल्ट, जितना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वैरी करता है 2200 वोल्ट, या फिर सम ऑफ मतलब डिपेंड करता है इलेक्ट्रिक लोकोमोटिव के ऊपर। सम ऑफ लोकोमोटिव्स आर देयर विच आर यूज 11,000 वोल्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। सम ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज आर ऑल्सो देयर, दे ऑल्सो यूज द ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. So in that particular errand, each and every equipment or each and every requirement has its own personal requirement. For industry, it requires more voltage. For domestic house supply, it requires less output or voltage. For railway or telecommunication, it requires a different kind of a voltage. So each and every has its different values. To study it, scientist has derived some table for this to study detail or to study further. Furthermore, they have developed one table. In that table, they have discussed that is how the electric volt is vary for the different machineries or industries. For that, one is given over here. We have seen the very small values of potential difference, and afterwards we are going to discuss about a large value of potential difference. For that, very small value of potential difference. Potential difference and large value of PD. अब स्मॉल में देखते हैं कि कन्वर्जन कैसे करते हैं. मैं सबका आपको दिखाता हूं. 1 मिली वोल्ट, 1 मिली वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 10 to the power -3 वोल्ट. मतलब 1 मिली वोल्ट अगर है तो आप उसको क्या लिखोगे? 0.001, मतलब 123 वोल्ट. ओके, 1 मिली वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 0.001 वोल्ट. नेक्स्ट, ये हो गया फर्स्ट मिली वोल्ट के लिए. सेकंड के लिए देखते हैं हम लोग. अब मिली से छोटा कौन होता है? माइक्रो. सो 1 माइक्रो वोल्ट, 1 माइक्रो वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 10 to the power -4 वोल्ट. इसके लिए सॉरी -6 वोल्ट, सॉरी 3, ये -6 वोल्ट है. मतलब 1 माइक्रो वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 0.123451 वोल्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट, देखिए कितना छोटा हुआ. अभी इसमें इसके अपोजिट में अगर हम लोग देखेंगे तो एक होता है किलो वोल्ट और एक होता है मेगा वोल्ट. सबसे पहले मिली वोल्ट था, तो यहाँ पे देखते हैं हम लोग 1 किलो वोल्ट. 1 किलो वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 10 to the power +3 वोल्ट. +3 मैंने बताया, मतलब 1 kV अगर आपने लिख दिया तो वहां पे क्या लिखना है? 1000 वोल्ट, बिकॉज 1 किलो इज इक्वल टू 1000. नेक्स्ट 1 मेगा वोल्ट. 1 मेगा वोल्ट को हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? MV. MV इज इक्वल टू क्या लिखेंगे? मेगा वोल्ट. 1 मेगा वोल्ट इज इक्वल टू 10 to the power 6 वोल्ट. मतलब क्या करना है आपने? इसको 1 MV इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 2 and this 3 means 1 mega volt is equal to 10 lakh volt. Okay, so this is what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, oh sorry, 10 to the power 6, no, हाँ 10 to the power 6 volt. Okay, so this is the very small value of potential difference. These are the very large value of potential difference. In electric supply we use 22 kV, and our transformer also use, or transmission terminals also use 33 kV. We have seen 33 kV. हम लोग always बोलते कि ये 33 kV से electricity आ रहा है. So 33 kV means what? Kilovolt. So you have to tell me that is 33 kV means what? How many volt? You have to tell this answer in the comment box which is given below. Okay. So this is nothing but the potential difference of the cell. You know, this is nothing but the it is totally depend on the flow of charge throughout the device. How many amount of charge will be flow from one place to another place, and how many amount of charge will be shift. The value of potential difference is depend on that. We know very well 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. Next we have taken one W divided by Q is the formula to calculate potential difference, and the SI unit is also we known volt. Next what we have seen, the small values and the large values related to potential difference. I hope you understand this phenomenon. If you have a doubt, so you can ask me, don't hesitate to ask. You have to ask me in the comment box which is given below, and you have to subscribe my channel too, because whenever you subscribe my channel, when you press that bell icon to notification all, whenever I'll upload the video you will get the notification. It is better for you, because whenever I'll correlated to this topic or anything, whenever I'll upload the video you will get the notification. Okay, so I hope you understand this phenomenon. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.